Okay, in the last tutorial I was checking for a way to include some sample data in this table, and guys, it's right here. It's right here. You can hide some sample data. Okay, you can also go back to view, and you can see show sample data. Okay, this is showing how the data shall be in the table view, right, guys? So if you were to preview this, you can see we have some data in that table view, right? Some data in that table view. Okay, guys, this is what I wanted to see. Okay. And this table view, we shall be filling this table view using an array list. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate all these, and in the next series I'm going to deal with all these components now in the code form. Okay, and then after that, guys, we are going to start creating all those cool applications. But like I said, for those guys who are advanced, who already know what is this, I'm going to post another tutorial series that is specifically for you guys. And in that tutorial series, you are going to be able to at least to come to terms with it, because it will be an advanced level of this. Okay, I'm going to be using all the material components, JFinix, all that. I'm going to show you how to switch between those things. I'm going to show you connecting to that database, editing that data, making this table editable. You know, you double click on this column and it's editable. Okay, so again, this where you can just pick the table column. You just pick the table column and you just post it here, put it here, and it becomes a column. Okay, guys, this is how you add the column. All right, and yeah, so this is the table view. Okay, okay, I'm still going to show you more what you can do with the table view, but mostly it's just for tabulation of data. You know, you have this list, wrong list, maybe a wrong list of people, a long list of cars, a long list of anything for your application. You can just display it in a table view. It's a very good view. It scrolls all the items if they are more than what if they are more than what the table can show at a time, and a user can scroll down and see all that. So I shall be explaining much more about the table view later. No problem. So I think we are done with the table view. So the other thing, guys, that I needed to explain was about the Vbox and the Hbox and all that. And the Vbox, it's a vertical box, Vbox, okay, like this. Okay, now this is a Vbox. A Vbox is a container that can be able to show children in a vertical manner. Are you together, guys? So for example, you can see here, I just pressed my buttons. You know, I was trying to make them fit or how they should be. Instead of doing this, I may use a Vbox. Okay, here, just press it on the Vbox. See that? It's now in the Vbox. If I press the other one, let me give this a different name too. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm going to give it a different name too. Action 2. I'm going to give it action 3. Action 3. I'm going to give this one action 4. Action 4, guys. I'm going to give this one action maybe 5. No problem. So if I can be able to move these components and put them here. Okay, you can see how the Vbox is. You can now see. Okay, you can see for yourself. All right, so they are arranged in a vertical way, and you can be very sure that these components have been arranged in a vertical manner. So if you need to, of course, you need some H gap, okay, or V gap. All right, so mostly I set this in code, guys, but let me try to set it through here. The spacing, maybe I think it's this spacing. I think it's 5. Okay, 6. Okay, this is the spacing, guys. Okay, you don't just specify whether it's dp or pixels. Just put an integer value there, and then it will understand. So you can see this has been a spacing of 6. Okay, all right, so the spacing of 6, you can see all that, and then you can see that there is now the spacing, but they are all in one vertical column. None is out of place. Okay, you can maybe even decide to give it some spacing of about maybe 12, maybe 10. Let's talk about 10. Okay, or even 20. You can see this how the spacing is. Okay, so we are going to see more about this Vbox as we continue. And so if I talk about the Hbox is a direct opposite of the Vbox. Instead of arranging the childs vertically, to arrange the child horizontally, the children horizontally. So if I may have it here, okay, so its children should be arranged horizontally. For example, if I add that button there, right, I take another button too and I add it here. Oh no, and I add it there, right? You can see they are being arranged in a line format. Okay, in a line format. If I have a button 4, maybe I can add it there. You can see it's in a line format. Okay, and just like the VGAP, it also just like the Vbox, it also has some spacing. You can specify the spacing of those children vertically. You can say maybe 20, okay, and the children will be spaced at a 20 degrees, 20 pixels, 20 dp. So this is it. Okay, now this is the menu for the okay. The important thing about this, the Hbox, instead of trying to fit a number of buttons horizontally, or you don't want to use the button but also some other components horizontally, that they must be horizontal in one line, you can use the Hbox. It is very accurate on that. It's completely accurate. Or you can use the Vbox for placing children vertically, okay, within the same line. So I hope, guys, I'm clear on this. I hope I'm clear on this. I hope by now I think I have covered most of the important components that you guys should know about Javafx for now. And even if I was to go directly into programming right now, into the coding part, I'm sure you would not throw. At least you have a good introduction of some of the components, how you can change all that. So thank you guys once more. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.